Today I'm going to teach you how to make the most powerful mix you've ever seen or made in your life. For this tip today, in a container, I will first add 500 milliliters of detergent and also 90 grams of toothpaste. Then we will mix very well until the whole paste is mixed with the detergent, until it has a homogeneous consistency. And before I forget, tell me which city you watch, so I can send you a big hug. Today's hug goes to Valencia, Kanina from South Africa. I'm glad you're enjoying our tips. Once the mixture reaches this consistency, we can add the other items of the tip. I will use 2 tablespoons of baking soda. It is an indispensable item for its degreasing effect. Will make cleaning your dishes much more practical. We will mix again, and we can already notice the totally different consistency of just using the detergent. To finish, I will also use 100 milliliters of water, and after mixing, the tip will be ready for use. I'm sure you will be impressed by the ease of removing stains and fat. With the use of this tip, the effect of the toothpaste brings a totally different cleaning to the dishes, removing even the stains from the pans easily. To also facilitate the application of the product, we can use the detergent packaging itself to store and also avoid product waste. I will use a funnel to not miss a bit of the mixture, and with that, we can already use our product. You will definitely thank me after using this mixture. Just with this amount, I can use in my kitchen easily for 2 weeks. Being a stronger product, only a small amount is enough to remove dirt. For this part, just applying the product and using a sponge to scrub, easily remove all dirt. I am sure that all the ingredients used in this mixture you already have in your home, which facilitates the preparation by having a low cost. Tell me later in the comments if you got the desired result for the use of this tip. Thank you for watching this video so far. See you in the next video. Bye.